Hi friends, it's Petra here with my last Bramble Fox video for this year. Not my last Bramble Fox video, but for this year. It's almost time, people. Almost time to get that countdown started. But why not make a summer layout at the end of December? I saw the January Fox box and it is so versatile, and I wanted to prove it was versatile, so I used one of the titles of the January box for a summer layout. And I also used the September hip kit for this one because it has those beautiful florals which matched my photo perfectly. So I started off with cutting out a large circle, and as you saw, I often use um, dinner plates for cutting out circles, and this time it was a small plate and it is the perfect size for these kind of circles, so I use it quite a lot. And there it is, my favorite Bramble Fox stencil. Well, the Ray stencils are my favorite. I have a couple of them and I use them all the time. So I wanted to let those rays of sunshine peek out underneath of that circle. So I create a bright yellow, and I'm using my oxide mustard seed. It's my go-to yellow. I love that color. It's bright, it's vibrant, and I use it quite a lot. So I like how those rays are peeking out underneath of that circle. And I backed my photo with a slightly larger circle than the photo. And I stick it down off-centered so I could embellish those flowers around the photo. And those flowers are so cute and they have the perfect orange and yellow tones to fit that photo. And that photo is one of our son Bas, and we were on vacation in Curacao and they have those beautiful murals. So this was one with large orange and yellow flowers, so gives you an instant summer feel. And there is that gorgeous snapshot title which you can find in the January Fox box. And I glue it down with some glossy accents, and I always smear it out a bit so it won't be blobbing out underneath my title once I glue it down. And I'm creating that word summer with a very old alphabet I have. I always keep them and I sorted them on color and on size, so I'm a bit weird. So the large alphabets are sorted by color and the small ones also, and I keep them in little clear envelopes. So that's the way I save my alphabets. So I'm finishing it off with some tiny bits and pieces underneath, and I decide to tape that circle down with a bit of foam tape. This set is a set from the shop, and I will link it below because it's a festive set. I think it's called Celebration or Party Celebration. I will link it below. I don't know the exact title, but I use it quite a lot because it has all those fun little stars and little bursts of, well, firework, I don't know, but these one are mirrored gold and I love them, so I had to use them in this layout. So not only Foxbox, but also a shop item there. So I will link everything below, including the stencil I used. So time to finish everything off with some splatters. As you know, I love them. So I'm using the mustard seed oxide spray because that's the easiest way to create those splatters. At least I think it's the easiest way. And I'm always using a very small brush. So that's it. I hope you like it and let me know what you think. I hope to see your creations in our Facebook group and hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching, and for now, a very happy new year and see you next year. Thank you. Bye bye.